Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we're going to learn English through a real-life topic, civic sense. You'll hear simple sentences, useful vocabulary, and natural conversation that will help you speak better English while understanding an important social issue. So stay with me till the end, and let's improve our English one practical topic at a time. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about something very simple yet very powerful, civic sense. Now, what exactly is civic sense? In simple words, it's the sense of responsibility each of us should have as citizens, the awareness that our behavior affects others around us. Civic sense is not a rule book, it's more like good manners in public life. It's about respecting shared spaces, following traffic rules, keeping our surroundings clean, and showing consideration for people we don't even know. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're driving on a busy road. Someone cuts you off, another driver honks nonstop, and a third one parks in the middle of the lane. Sounds stressful, right? That's exactly what happens when civic sense is missing. We all complain about bad traffic, but very few of us think, am I part of the problem? Civic sense also means small things, not littering, not spitting on the road, not playing loud music in public spaces, and treating public property as if it's our own. When I was living in other city, I used to see people throw trash out of their car windows or spit everywhere. And every time I thought, we have great infrastructure, we have smart people, but we still lack one basic thing, civic sense. When I came here, I noticed something different. People wait for the pedestrian signal, drivers stop to let you cross. Most people don't litter because it's part of the culture to respect shared spaces. It's not that people here are better. It's just that they've been taught that public spaces belong to everyone. That's civic sense in action. Civic sense is not just about following laws, it's about understanding why those laws exist. For example, wearing a seatbelt isn't only about avoiding a fine, it's about keeping yourself and others safe. Similarly, when we throw trash in the bin instead of the street, we're making life easier for the next person who walks there. Now imagine what our cities could look like if everyone practiced civic sense cleaner roads. Less noise, safer driving, more kindness. It doesn't take big government plans. It takes small personal habits. So, what can we do? Start with ourselves. Be patient in traffic. Respect cues. Don't honk unnecessarily. Don't throw trash where people walk. And if someone around you forgets, remind them, politely. Because civic sense is not taught just in classrooms, it's learned through example. And we can be that example. To sum it up, civic sense is what makes a crowd, a community, and a city, a home. It's what turns chaos into cooperation. If every one of us takes small steps toward being a more responsible citizen, we won't just live in a cleaner or quieter city, we'll live in a more civilized one. Thank you. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.